So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to export as a PDF file here on Freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up Freeform. Once you have Freeform opened up, simply select a board that you want to export as a PDF. So for this demonstration, I'll have board number 1 right here. I'll go ahead and press on that. So here's my wonderful board. I'm just going to go ahead and change the color of the square to red just to make it a little bit different. So once that is done and you have your masterpiece that you want to export as a PDF, it's super simple. Go to the top right to where there's that circle with the 3 horizontal dots. Press on that right here. And where it says export as a PDF right here, simply just press on that and you can export it as a PDF file. So yeah, pretty simple, super straightforward. This is how to export as a PDF file here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.